So let's start putting together our framework. I'm here in Microsoft's Visual Studio Community Edition 2013. This is a newer IDE from Microsoft that's meant to somewhat replace the Express versions. The Community Edition is free for small teams. I forget what a small team is exactly. I think it's 4 or 5 developers. But it does away with all the limitations of the Express versions. So at this point in time where I'm recording this course, the 2015 version isn't released yet, or it's released in a preview mode, so it's not very stable and it's not even in beta yet. So for this course, we'll be using this Community Edition, and we'll also be integrating some of the AngularJS traditional tools into it, such as NPM and Bower, and some kind of post-processing, either Grunt or Gulp. And of course, you can follow along with any IDE. You can go ahead and use WebStorm or Brackets or your IDE of choice. So let's get started here. So I'll go to File, New Project, and I'll create a location for the project. And we'll just call it Framework. Make sure we select an empty template, and nothing should be checked anywhere. So we have our empty project. Let's add some packages. I'll go to the NuGet Package Manager. So I see jQuery here, we'll add that in. And we can also add the Bootstrap package. Now we also want to get Font Awesome because we'll be using some fonts for our menus and some buttons too. So we have Font Awesome, and of course we're also going to need Angular. And I'll take the core 1.3.8, and we're going to need some more packages later on, but we'll just grab those as we need them. So the next thing is let's create our index.html page. I'll add an HTML page, index, clean it up a bit, and let's just load in some of our CSS files. I'll grab Bootstrap, and I'll grab Font Awesome. And for our JavaScript files, let's add jQuery first, and then the minified Angular after that. And I'll just run this to make sure it starts up okay, and we're good to go. So this is going to be the basis of everything we do in this course. Next, we'll look at what AngularJS modules we'll need to create.